Okay, so done making all my cuts, and let's compare the thicknesses to the original. Chuck you back up there. Part should just slip out. Maybe a little deeper chasing on those teeth, but otherwise, here's the old blown out cog, see, broken teeth and all. And now here's our new one, and what I did was whittle down. Oh, let's not do that. Got it. Oh, okay. Not good to work over there. Okay, so I whittled down this face right here, and now it's the same thickness as this gear right here that I'm touching with my finger. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so now I gotta whittle down. There's this blown out gear, and this is its replacement, and you can see there are two different thicknesses there. So I gotta thin up this one next. So there you have it.